Senator Robin, sabi mo, kaibigan tayo. Forgive na lang. Hindi na kami uulit dyan.
I was interrupted.
With due apologies.
Alam niyo ba, bawal po ang ginagawa.
Kindly maintain
Presiding
order
officer,
within the
bawal
court.
po ang ginagawa nitong nasa harap natin, nagkukomento.
In addition, Your Honor, and only to respond to the concern of the Honorable Senator Judge Padilla, ang conviction po ay hindi ground for disqualification unless it is final and unless it is punishable by more than 1 year and that the crime constitutes moral turpitude.
Alam niyo po, napakaganda po ng inyong sagot. Sana hindi one-sided ang ating persecution. Ano? Kasi, alam niyo, pag kayo ang pagpabor sa inyo, alam niyo ba, bawal po ang ginagawa.
Kindly maintain
Presiding
order
officer,
within the
bawal
court.
po ang ginagawa nitong nasa harap natin, nagkukomento.
Kindly maintain order in the court. The Sergeant at Arms, by authority of the Senate President, is directed to kindly maintain.
Hindi po
order in the
sila allowed mag-ingay. Korte po ito.
Thank you. You may proceed, Senator Judge. Who was speaking?
Ako po.
You may proceed, Senator Judge.
I was
Padilla.
interrupted.
With due apologies.
So, ibig niyo pong sabihin, yung mga senator judges dito ngayon na humaharap sa kaso, na hindi po pinapayagan ng ombudsman at hindi pa rin sila guilty, ano pong ibig niyo sabihin?
Your Honor, with all due respect, ang question niyo po kanina ay kaugnay ng pagtistigo.
Testigo nga,
Referring to
judges
the
nga yung
witnesses of
sinasabi
the prosecution, Your Honor.
Ang usapan po ay yung guilty or not guilty. Okay? So, tatanong na po ako ng bago. Pwede po ba?
May I be clarified, Your Honor, on your last question about the senator you said are facing cases?
Lead counsel, I think that was more
Alam
of
niyo
a-
po, malinaw na po yung sinabi ko and wala po kayong karapatan magtanong
Hindi,
sa Senator Judge.
diliwanagin ko nga po. I think Senator Judge Padilla was making a manifestation and not posing a question to the lead prosecutor in relation to our two colleagues. You may proceed, Senator Judge Padilla.
Maraming salamat po, Ginoong tagapamahalang hukom. Pwede na po ba tayong mag-advance ng katanungan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Apo. Yung pong sinasabi ninyo, bakit nyo po nababanggit ang ICC dito? Ano po ang kinalaman ng ICC dito sa ating pagdinig?
With all due respect, Honorable Senator Judge Robin Padilla, kagaya po ng nabanggit ko na at marahil panglima ng banggit ng presiding officer. Nabanggit po ang ICC, kaugnay ng affidavit ni Las Cañas na ipirinisinta po ng prosecution bilang bahagi lamang ng testimonya ng witness at bilang bahagi ng naging investigasyon ng Special Task Force ng NBI.
Sometimes the Senate impeachment hearings are in black and white. And we're very appreciative that Senator Robin always brings color and surprise and excitement. It's as if, especially if he's the last one to manifest, nagigising po kaming lahat. Kanina talaga nagigising kaming lahat. At pinagalitan pa kami sa front row. So may I use this opportunity to apologize to Senator Judge Robin. There was no intent to disrespect him. No? Kaya lang, syempre, pag lawyer ka at nasa litigation ka, i-emote ka mag-i-emote ka. No? Alam naman nila yung, hindi naman emote na drama, pero it is an instinctive reaction. There was really no intent to disrespect him when he said, lalong-lalo na yung mga nasa front row, nagtinginan kaming ganyan. Yung pala kami yun, nasa front row. So, Senator Robin, sabi mo, kaibigan tayo. Forgive na lang. Hindi na kami uulit dyan.
Yan ang ating Bravo Balita. Salamat sa panonood. Follow at subscribe at like na po kayo sa aming Facebook, YouTube at TikTok channel.